HealthTech Innovation Challenge is a fantastic opportunity to bring together a variety of innovations happening in healthcare today and figure out where we can work together to create a holistic model of patient health and patient care.
I participated for the first time last year. It was a lot of fun, frankly.
If you think of innovation as invention plus adoption, the startups are really good at the invention. We as pharma, we can help with the adoption piece.
The sheer energy, the enthusiasm, the thought leadership is amazing here.
The fact that Accenture can put this on year after year is really a testament to their relationships in this space.
Accenture does a fantastic job of scouring the nation and the world for these companies, and they do a nice job of carving them down to a really competitive set of finalists.
Already we've had some great feedback, great insights, and of course having these people review our solutions is incredibly valuable to our strategy and development.
We're trying to help our customers, which are larger organizations, figure out how to innovate their business by taking advantage of the great ideas that are happening by these younger companies.
Meeting with so many different innovators is just a great opportunity because it allows you to relate to them on so many different levels, but the element of competition pushes us to be better in our respective fields.
I think what's really different in this case is the amount of time we get to spend with the startups and really get to build a relationship and understand potentially how we could work with them.
Though we have all these innovative ideas, we know that at the heart of all these ideas is patient outcomes.
So what I'm looking for from the startups today is basically innovative real-world examples of healthcare disruption using technology.
So you see the ones that are really, really passionate and really engaged with what they're doing and they really believe in it.
These events and these opportunities are all around finding disruptors, thinkers that can jolt us and help us create more value fundamentally and better patient outcomes.
So one of the things that's impressed me most about the startups today has been how they've demonstrated how they're meeting the user need. So less about the how and the technology, but more about the people and the users that they're delivering their solutions for.
A lot of these entrepreneurs start with a personal story where they're really trying to solve a problem that affects them or a loved one.
I'm a doctor myself, and what I'm so passionate about is making an impact for patients and improving their care and their lives.
I have 3 children. My middle child is a daughter, Bailey. She was born with a very significant autoimmune disease. And I recognize that even as a healthcare industry expert, it was an impossibility for me to navigate the system.
We're really helping patients to get the support that they need in the ways that are going to change their behavior. And that's one of the biggest problems in healthcare.
Why I start my company is, actually I have ADHD and I want to solve my problems and I want to create a social system in which differences can thrive.
There are many ideas and technologies out there, but someone has to combine all those ideas and technologies together to get the real solution to the problem.
As a chief data officer, it was so refreshing to see data is still and will always be king.
Everyone's taking that patient-centered view to driving healthcare change.
But they really need to focus on what is the value that you will bring to the customers, to the patients? What is that unique thing that you will make different from any other company out there?
It is very exciting time because there are so many technologies available, but it is important how to utilize such technology.
It's not easy to come up with an original idea. It is not easy to execute, but only by being really stubborn you can be successful.
We have exploding healthcare costs. We're getting older, we're getting bigger, we're getting more unhealthy. The only way we're going to solve this problem is through innovation.
You know, we see things solved in so many other industries. We need to be pushed to solve some of these now. Life science companies and healthcare organizations really need to partner up and embrace open innovation to help solve some of the business challenges they have, but also more than that, to help actually achieve epic disruption within the industry, because the industry needs to change. Dynamics have shifted. It's only through partnering with innovative startups that they can achieve some of those goals. Okay, thank you very much.